Hello learners, welcome to Anant Academy. Today we'll cover the plants and their systems. Have you ever planted something? क्या आपने कभी कोई पौधा लगाया है? What did you do to make it grow? आपने कौन सा पौधा लगाया है? Today we will review plant organs. Identify the two types of organ systems for plants. Compare and contrast the functions of these systems. What are the main parts or organs of a plant? Leaves, stems, roots. Remember, similar cells working together form tissues. Tissues work together to form organs. Plants have two main systems. क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि plants के कौन से दो main system कौन से हैं? सोचो. Yes, root system and shoot system. Shoot system, the aerial part of the plant, which grows or shoots upwards, जिसका मतलब है plant का वो भाग जो जमीन के ऊपर की तरफ बढ़ता है. Root system composed of the organs that grow beneath and into the ground. पौधे का वो हिस्सा जो जमीन का नीचे की तरफ बढ़ता है उसे root system कहते हैं. Shoot system, major functions provide structure by holding it upright. Stem, transports fluids between throughout the whole plant. Stem, collects sunlight and make food by photosynthesis. Leaves. Shoot system grows upward. Tarankan, it shoots up towards the sunlight, which allows the system to facilitate photosynthesis in the leaves. The absorption of oxygen and sunlight happens here. Root system, major functions: absorbing water and minerals, anchoring and supporting the plant, storing food. Roots grow down. The tip or root cap protects the roots as it goes down. It also helps the root sense gravity. New cells are continually replenished via the root meristem. Thicker roots absorb nutrients less but stores fluids and food better. Wrap up. Plant parts are also called organs. Working together, they make up two systems. Shoot system provides overall structure, collects and produces food through the leaves, transports fluids through the stem. Root system grows down because of gravity, absorbs water and nutrients, stores food. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.